The eggplant. I know. Some of you love it, but for many, it's a mushy, bitter, or just plain weird experience. Well, I'm here today to change your mind forever. I'm going to show you a recipe that will make you fall head over heels in love with eggplant. This isn't just any recipe. This is the recipe. We're talking about an eggplant dish that is so unbelievably crispy on the outside, yet tender and creamy on the inside, without a hint of bitterness. I call it sandy eggplant, and trust me, it's about to become a staple in your home. It's so good, you'll be making it on repeat. Are you ready to have your world rocked by an eggplant? Let's get cooking. Avoid any with soft spots or wrinkled skin. We're going to need 2 medium-sized eggplants for this recipe. A lot of the nutrients and a great texture are in the skin. We're just going to give them a good wash and pat them dry. This size is perfect for getting that ideal crispy to creamy ratio. This isn't just for flavor, it's a crucial technique to draw out excess moisture and any bitterness from the eggplant. You'll literally see beads of water forming on the surface of the eggplant and a puddle of brownish liquid collecting underneath. You'll need 1 cup of cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch. It's the secret to an incredibly light and crispy crust that stays crispy for a long time. And smoky flavor, a little bit of black pepper, and of course a pinch of salt. Remember, we rinsed the eggplant, so we need to add some seasoning back in. Whisk all those dry ingredients together until they're perfectly combined. Use your hands to make sure every single nook and cranny of each piece is completely coated. It's time to get crispy. You have 2 options here, deep frying or air frying. Both work fantastically. Carefully place the coated eggplant pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry in batches. This is key. If you put too many in at once, the oil temperature will drop and you'll get greasy, soggy eggplant. Nobody wants that. Once they're done, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a wire rack to drain. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Lightly spray the basket with a little oil. Air fry for about 12 to 15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until they are golden, crispy, and cooked through. The texture is just incredible, and you use way less oil. Honestly, I often prefer the air fryer method for its convenience and healthier profile, but both ways are delicious. Now, you could just eat these crispy little nuggets as they are, and they are ridiculously addictive. Seriously, they're like the best vegetable French fry you've ever had. This sauce is a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and a little bit spicy. No more mush, no more bitterness. Just pure, crispy, flavorful delight. So please, give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I promise you won't regret it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes that will make you love to cook. See you next time.